Good morning and welcome to our Microsoft Mondays from 303 Tech. I'm Clint Larson. Hey, today we're going to be talking about this little beauty. I don't know if you guys have seen this before, but this is the new Microsoft Edge. We're going to talk a little bit about why you'd want to even look at this, why you'd want to download it. I mean, we've been using it now for at least I've been using it for about not quite 6 months. It was before the end of last year. Anyway, there's some really cool features that I really like, and we'll go through a couple of them real quick. One of the things that you can do in your settings, you can synchronize your settings across your devices. So if I wanted to have something on my smartphone, I could have something on my smartphone, synchronizing my usernames, passwords, that kind of stuff. Tells you what kind of stuff you can synchronize. One of the things that you can also do is change the appearance. Everything's all white back here. If you wanted to go with a dark theme, it's a little bit easier on your eyes. Go ahead and you can do that as well. Some of your security stuff, let's see, site permissions, what they can get access to, your privacy and services is increased on your security stuff. You have basic, which I highly don't recommend. And if you're really worried about stuff getting through, you can set this to strict. Now, if you set it to strict, some of your stuff might not show up all the way. How you clear data browser, privacy, all kinds of stuff. There's increased security there. One of the things that I really kind of like is this cleaned up interface. Kind of shows me here. If you notice, it says search, and then it says 303 Tech and the web. So if I wanted to search for something, if I could type like this, it will show me the website stuff first, but then I can show results from 303 Tech. So what does that mean? My Office 365, my business stuff. Hey, I found 8 files in there, and I can click on my 8 files and it starts bringing up right out of my SharePoint the files. So now I can start utilizing the browsing search engine capabilities through my web portal or through the websites without having to go anywhere else. Also, if you notice right down here at the bottom, it starts saying recommended. If I scroll down, it starts to show me. I've linked it right into my Office 365 account. Documents that I've been working on, my SharePoint stuff, more in OneDrive, more in SharePoint. So I now can start to utilize my business stuff right through my Internet Explorer, which I think is super cool. There's all kinds of new features. Let's do a search for let's see, plastic bag ban in New York City. So I guess that just went into effect as of yesterday. No more plastic bags in New York, single use. So if I go through here and I look at some of these ads and I'm like, okay, that sounds cool. Now, if you notice this, it's very busy. There's lots of stuff going on. They're trying to get paid from 1,000 different places. So they've got all kinds of stuff. This is hard to read. Well, guess what? Now there's this immersive reader experience, and it strips out all of the stuff that you don't need, and you can start looking at just the article itself. I love that part. But you can also do this part that's read aloud. And yes, it will read aloud and you have all kinds of options. If you're trying to teach somebody how to build something, grammar tools, I want to highlight just the nouns, it will go through and highlight the nouns or verbs or parts of speech, whatever you're looking for. It'll help you break down the context of that type of document if you need to go that far. Anyway, super cool. The new Microsoft Edge browser, I think it's great. I love it. I love the integrations that it does. So anyway, go take a look. Go download it. Now, some of you guys that are dealing with older banking information websites or insurance websites or something like that, probably won't work, which really scares me because they're using really old browsers that don't have near the security on them, which is kind of backwards because you're dealing with bank information. And anyway, maybe you should talk to your bank and have them upgrade it so that you can actually use the new security features. Anyway, hope you guys have a wonderful day. Please follow us every Monday, first Monday of every month. We do a Microsoft video that's all about Microsoft Mondays. And next month we're going to be talking about Teams. So hope to see you then. Thank you.